Alright, so this is going to be a video for a Model 3, how to remove the center console. There's going to be total 6 bolts, and if you're getting to the SRS module, this is it right here. So if you have airbags that blew out, this is going to be the module that needs to be rebuilt or replaced. So just make sure you disconnect all the power in the car before removing any of this stuff. Alright, so this is the center console, it's removed. And so there's going to be 3 pieces that you have to remove to get to the bolts. So these are the carpet inserts. They're going to be held by the clips. So just pop them out. They're basically one-way clips. So passenger side and the driver side as well, same thing. Then in the back of the center console, you're going to have this little trim. Just pop this out. It's held by 5 clips. Then you're gonna have 10 millimeter bolt right here, and right there. So this is the passenger side. Same thing with the driver's side. In the back of the console, there's gonna be this plug. Unplug this plug, and just pull the console towards the back, and it slides back, and just take it out. To put it back in, you're gonna have to follow these, make sure they all go in place, the guider sliders or whatever you want to call them, and it'll go back in place.